That's okay if you don't have a microphone. That's perfectly fine. I'll get started with you. You probably got the email with the materials and the items that animals we're going to be making today. This is a picture of what some of them are going to look like. If you have any questions or any concerns, just email and just type in the chat and we'll get the information relayed back to you regarding your questions and your concerns. I'm Miss Allison, and I'll be representing the animals that you're going to be making with you and your child or children, however many you have. By the way, how many is it that you have? It's you, and how many children are with you? No worries. That's no worries. 2. Great. That's great. Glad y'all could join us. All right, we're going to get started. And the items, like I said, you're going to need are the lime, the bananas, the strawberries, the grapes, the honeydew, and the carrots. And I put on there, I don't know if you got the email or not, about the toothpicks as an optional thing. I found it easier if you maybe have some toothpicks lying around for you to help hold some of your animals together for your child or your children. The first one we're actually going to make is going to be our fish. So as you see here, I don't know if you can see, this is what they look like once they are assembled. So you see here with the 2 oranges, you're going to cut slices of the oranges. And for the ending, the rear end, it's going to be 2 small ends of the carrots. And you're going to use blueberries for the bubbles. And I mentioned about the eyes, you can use the cake decorating, or you can use candy eyes, which you see here. This is a little bit more movable. But that's how you make that one. And toothpicks kind of can help hold the mouth together. The strawberries are what make the mouth. Do your kids like fruits and vegetables? Somewhat, yeah. I figured this would be a way to get kids liking to eat fruits and vegetables and make it fun for them. All right, I'm gonna get ready and do our second one. I wasn't saying anything before. I was giving you and your children time to make these creations, or you can make them on your own time too. This session is recorded, so you can always go back with the link and you can, I guess, review it again if you would like to. Our next one we're gonna create is gonna be our turtle. And you can use candy eyes, like I said, or the cake decorating. Can you hear me now? Or the cake decorating gel or icing. And this is what your turtle is going to look like. It's going to be 1 slice of kiwi, 4 grapes, 2 cut in half, and then your candy eyes. All right, I'll start with our next one. It's gonna be our caterpillar. Your kids like Eric Carle and the Hungry Caterpillar? This is what our caterpillar looks like. And it's gonna be one strawberry half slice. You can cut the blueberries into little pieces for the antenna. It's gonna be the little pieces of grape. You can take a grape and cut it in half. And then for the legs, it's gonna be little pieces of the blueberry. So you get to make the very hungry caterpillar. And you and your kids can make it however long you wanna make it. Our next one is gonna be the bear made out of kiwi. Kiwi and honeydew. So it's gonna be one flat piece of honeydew, 2 slices of kiwi, 1 piece of banana, and you're gonna use blueberries for the eyes and 1 to go on the top of the nose. Sometimes if you're showing it, it may be a little difficult to see. The candy eyes we had just on hand here. You probably can get them at like a grocery store or somewhere like that, maybe Michael's or Hobby Lobby, places that do like cake decorating and crafts. You can also, like I said, you can always use cake decorating like gel. I've seen that actually at like Walmart. You can get that at Walmart pretty cheap for like a little under $2. So our next one that we're gonna do is the lion. And the lion is a super cool, and it's kind of detailed, but it's one of the more fun ones and very colorful. If you can see here, it's going to be made out of oranges. You can either use, I think I mentioned, you can either use cuties or halos, or you can use one of the bigger oranges and slice it in half. It's going to be oranges for the mane, carrot pieces for the carrot slices for the whiskers, a strawberry piece for the mouth, and then for your eyes, it's going to be slices of banana with blueberries for the eyeballs. And then also bananas. I don't know if you can see the bananas right here for the ears. And you can make the lion as big or as small as you want to. The bigger it is, obviously, the more oranges you'll need for the mane. But this gets kids excited about eating fruits and vegetables. It makes it more fun for them. And for the nose you can use really anything. I used a piece of a grape for the nose. Our next one we're going to do, I'm actually going to make this one from scratch because the example that I had, it kind of messed up a little bit. So we're gonna actually make this one together. It's going to be strawberries and bananas. It's going to be a cat in the hat. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a strawberry. And mom or grown up, you'll be the one handling cutting up the fruit, and your children can make the actual cat in the hat. So you're going to take all of your slices of strawberry, and you're going to cut slices of banana. And the ending piece is going to be what's going to be the top part. So you'll start with the piece of strawberry for the bottom. You'll stack a piece of banana on top and make a pattern with it. So that the ending piece goes on top. And if you have toothpicks handy, they may work in helping you keep your hat together because sometimes they want to slide. So you'll stick it through the top. If you have toothpicks, you'll stick it through the top and it holds your hat together. So as you can see here, there's my hat. I don't know if you can see the hat really good or not. Let's see if we can get it. See the hat? The hat sticks together a little better. So this is a really simple one that just uses strawberries and bananas. And the next one is going to be really, really colorful. It's actually our last one. It's going to be our butterfly. So as you can see here, it's orange pieces. It's grapes that have been cut in half. So it's actually one piece of the grape that's cut in half. And for mine, I made 4 pieces. So it's not a super big butterfly. And then for the antlers or antennas, I used little pieces of carrot. So I just cut little bitty pieces of carrot for it. And this is another one that's super colorful, super healthy. And these are just some healthy and fun ways to get your kids involved with eating fruits and vegetables. And it also makes it fun for them because they get to make their own creations with it. And like I said, I'll send pictures out to you of the different animals that we created today. And I'll also send you this video if you'd like me to send you this video of how to make these different things again. Okay? All of these will be emailed to you if you would like. I will definitely send you the video for this, and I will send you the pictures, and I can send you the exact amounts of the stuff that I used as well for the different items, such as how many oranges or blueberries or stuff that I used. Okay? Any other questions or concerns? Okay, yep, and I will send you instructions. I'll send you instructions through the email. You're welcome. I'm so glad y'all had fun, and thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, and this concludes our youth family fun, okay? See you later. And I was also going to tell you too, if you do, one more thing before I do conclude, I was also going to tell you if you're interested in this stuff, we also have some books that I actually got these ideas from. This one here is actually a toddler book, but it's where I got a lot of my ideas from. It's called Food Faces. And this has a lot of great ideas, and it tells you exactly what items are used to make each one of them. So in here, like if your kids like watermelon, this is a pig made out of watermelon. This is a great book to get ideas from. Also, this is in our nonfiction section. It's like a kid's first cookbook that shows all kinds of ways to make stuff and make their own creations. So this is another idea. We have this right here that you can check out in the library, as well as some fruit and veggie art, and also some things you can get ideas from for holidays. So you can make all kinds of animals and different other creations through fruits and vegetables, and possibly even for holidays. So if you're interested in these, you can come check these out at the library. And you can also get onto our downloadables as well and see what holiday and food books that we have to offer through those apps as well. Okay? And thank you so much for joining us. And I will send you these postings and all of the information for this video. Goodbye.